Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to see how many devices are connected to my Wi-Fi. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Okay, the first step will be to go to Google and search for the following. And here you can try either of these two options, and then click here. In case that doesn't work for you, try searching for the following. Or in case that one doesn't work either, try this one. Well, once you are here, you should log in as administrator. You may not see the same interface as mine because it depends on your internet provider, but it is all the same. Log in with name use and password user. Or you can also try with name admin and password admin, and here it will show you all the devices connected to your Wi-Fi. As you can see, in my case, there are 4 connected. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.